Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota, located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this new Toyota Sienna SE. Now the most notable features on this SE is its backup camera. You also have your Bluetooth connectivity as well as your heated front seats. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you better familiar with this new Toyota Sienna SE. Let's get started. Now, a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this SE is its daytime running lights. You also have your fog lamps, and then if we take a closer look just over on the side here, you'll see your 19-inch aluminum alloy wheels. Now you also have your heated mirrors as well as your foldable mirrors, and I'm just going to quickly show you just what your second row is going to look like. So if we actually take a look, as you can see, you have 3 seats in your second row there. The nice thing about that middle seat, though, is that you can actually have it taken out and placed into the back there, which I will show you later on in the video. As you can see, you have the sunshade visors in your second and third row windows, where you can actually block out some of that sun when you're trying to have a quick nap on one of the long trips that you take on vacation. Now, just on the inside of the door there, you'll find the close button, and parents, if you're worried about your kids getting their hand or arm jammed into the door, you don't have to worry because it does have jam protection. So in the event that the door does sense there's an obstruction in the way, then the door will open itself back up automatically. If you want to close it from the outside, just pull on the handle once more and it will close automatically for you. Now, the color we're going to be taking a look at today is pre-dawn gray, and to start off with, we're going to be taking a look at your front dash as well as your front seats, just so you have a much better idea of how much space there is. Now you have your black leather interior seat surfaces with your power driver's seat with lumbar support. Taking a look just over on your left hand side, you're going to see your traction control on and off, as well as some storage space for some coin. On the inside of your driver's side door, you'll find your mirror controls, window locks, power locks, when it controls both your front and rear windows. Now, a couple of the controls you'll see here on the steering wheel include your volume control, scroll function, mode select, you have your voice recognition, Bluetooth, as well as your scroll function for your multi-informational display, lane departure alert, and cruise control. Now, if we actually take a look at some of the options located on your multi-informational display, you're going to see a digital speedometer with a distance to empty, as well as a couple of other additional features on here as well. Now you can also take a look at your audio. You have your lane departure alert, messages, and then you have your settings for your ECT power, pre-collision system, lane departure alert, settings menu. And then if you take a look at the very top of that screen, you're also going to see an exterior temperature gauge. Now, taking a look just at your center dash as well as your touch panel display, you're going to see a couple of different options on there, which include a digital clock. And then with your home screen, you have that nice split screen view. So as you can see, you have a couple of different options that you can have on there. And then when you go into the menu screen here, you'll see your audio phone apps as well as a couple of other additional features. Now, that apps menu is all part of the Entune app suite, so as long as you have it on your phone, you can use such apps as the Scout GPS app or the Slacker app. Now, the nice thing with the Scout GPS app is that you can actually stream your maps from your phone onto the touch panel display. You can also check local fuel prices or keep up to date with the latest sports scores as well. Now, located just down below here, you are going to see your dual zone climate control settings along with your rear temperature controls. Mounted to an automatic transmission, heated seat controls for your driver and passenger with your power outlet and with an additional one just located down below. Now at the very top here, you're going to see your auto dimming rear view mirror with integrated garage door opener and digital compass. And if we take a look just at the very top here, you're going to see your open and close for your power liftgate, power sliding rear doors, and then your SOS Safety Connect. Now the nice thing with your SOS Safety Connect is in the event that you're in a collision and you're unable to respond, emergency services will be sent out to you right away just to make sure that you're all right. Now you also have the sunglass case holder as well with an additional mirror on the inside just so you can keep an eye on the kids just while you're driving. And just to show you what your backup camera is going to look like, I'll just throw this into reverse here for you. So as you can see, you have those nice guiding lines in there, making things much easier for you when you're trying to back into a stall. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your tailgate. Now located on the back of your tailgate, you'll find your backup camera just on your left-hand side. Rear hatch release will be located just underneath your Sienna emblem. Now, I'm just going to close in on the rear cargo space just so you have a much better idea of how much room there is. Now, over on the left-hand side, this is where you'll actually store your middle seat if you're not using it. But if you are using it, then you have some additional cargo space on the side there as well. Now, over on the right, you'll find the power outlet. And then the nice thing is with this 60-40 split third row is that you can have it folded down into the floor. So if you need the additional cargo space, all you have to do to actually fold down the seats, just push on this piece right here. It'll fold the headrests down. And then if you pull on the middle piece here, it'll fold the seats down into the floor for you. And then you pull up on the flap, making it nice and flat there. And then that way any of the cargo that you place in the back there isn't catching on anything. Now, if you do forget how the seats actually fold up, the instructions are just located on the back of the seat there. But all you have to do is you want to make sure you pull up the flap first, pull on this middle piece here again, make sure it locks itself into place, and then when you pull on this piece right here, you can actually tilt it back to the desired position you would like. The reason why I say that is because you can actually tilt it back a little bit farther just so you're more comfortable on the drive. And the other thing I like is that you do have the power tailgate as well, so in the event that you're all finished up and you have your hands full of grocery bags or sports bags, it makes things much easier for you because all you have to do is push on the button once and it will close for you automatically. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. The phone number is 780-410-2455, or please visit our website at sptoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.